So, in a move that's pretty much going to cement our reputation as dirty kids extraordinaire, somebody filled up the pressure cooker at some unknown point in the past and didn't cook it and left it for I don't know how long. Days, weeks, who knows? So we're gonna open it and let's just see. Let's see what's inside. Oh, there's maggots on the outside, which is always a good sign. Okay. Oh God. Wow, oh my God. Let's just get right in there. Let's just get, oh wow. That's a true delicacy. Oh God, the smell just hit me. So the smell just hit, so the lid's going back on. Oh my God. How to describe it? It's sort of like cheesy, and also it's like cheese vomit is the best way that I can describe it. So don't do that. If you are thinking about leaving stuff in your pressure cooker for extended periods of time, don't do it. Okay, this is your public service announcement for the day.